Riwruok mochung' ne kedo ne ratich oganda Amnesty International onyiso luoro kaluwore kod timbe ratich kweth maketo piny owacho tesre mamedore e piny ma Tanzania motelo ne yiero maduong'. Amnesty okone jotelo makwedo tend Samia Suluhu osebedo kakalo e sand mathoth gino mar rocho ratich oganda ka koro odong' mana ndalo manok to ibago yiero e piny Tanzania tarik 29 dweni. Gikoni oganda maketo sirikal tesre imako kendo lal godo kamoko iyudo konegi tim ma okoni en ataro mar ratich oganda e piny mangima.
Tanzania election in 2025 creates a worrying trend in the region, a worrying trend that an opposition leader can be arrested, jailed, and trial goes on to elections. A worrying trend that any foreigner that wants to travel to the country for trial observation, for solidarity, can be arrested, can be prevented from coming into the country and tortured, as we saw in the case of Boniface Mwangi and Agatha Tuhaire.
In the country, of course, there is a lot of worry and anxiety building up ahead of the election. Election seasons are usually an opportunity for citizens to renew their citizenship through voting and voting for the leaders that they want. But also it is an opportunity to put to account their leaders. But we are seeing this has actually been almost denied because of the disqualification of the major candidates of the opposition. So the elections proceed with the ruling party going into the election virtually unchallenged.